Hi, welcome to the Femi Factor Show, and today I'll be reviewing the Note 8 7 months after. So this review is going to cover the Note 8, the pros and cons from a personal experience, from a personal view, 7 months after. Stay tuned. So before we carry on with the Note 8 review, I would like to tell everyone watching that I'll be doing a giveaway this Friday, starting from this Friday. A little giveaway though, and you must be following on Twitter, following on Instagram, and subscribed on YouTube. So stay tuned on how you're going to win this giveaway. Now let's go straight to the review of the Note 8. So far so good. I found holding Note 8 a bit bulky and a bit hard, especially when I'm trying to reach the lower volume key or try to take a screenshot. Sometimes I'm mistaking it for the Bixby button, which is quite close to the lower key. I wish they had put the Bixby button way down somewhere here, and then trying to reach the fingerprint sensor at the back could be a bit difficult. Sometimes I could not even register my thumb, because that means I have to stretch this thumb and still try to hold the phone. Now this is tricky. For the S Pen, my own opinion, I've not really been using it that much, especially the screen write. I don't really use the screen write. The Smart Select, I really don't use the Smart Select. The Create Notes, once in a while when I want to show off. The Live Message, as I said, I don't use it at all. The Translate option, nope. But yeah, in this Smart Select, I use the GIF. I think the Smart Select, the GIF is in the Smart. I use the GIF edit, but the only problem I have when trying to create a GIF is that if I'm trying to create a GIF from a YouTube video, it shows the play on the pause button right in the GIF that I'm creating. Because the pen is quite small and lightweight, one could easily forget to put it back and just misplace it. Sometimes I almost end up forgetting it where I'm using it. Like if I drop it like a normal pen, I almost end up forgetting to replace it back. Just one speaker which I'm trying to focus on now, and sometimes it's quite easy to have your hand blocking the speaker or just have it resting on it, which blocks sound play from the Note 8. But the speaker does a quite decent job though. It's a quite slick phone, so far so good. I didn't put a screen guard because the 3D screen guard that I had on it was making the screen quite hard to press. So even when I give people to put in their numbers, they find it quite difficult. So I just had to yank it off. Then the iris scanner. The iris scanner is not as good as the iPhone X iris scanner, because sometimes under low light I'll start opening my eyes and doing the most just to get into my phone. So let's review the battery life. Yes, the battery life after 8 months, or should I say 7 months, battery life has been quite impressive. Sometimes I charge it once or almost 2 times a day, and yes, I really use my phone a lot, and so many notifications coming. So an average daily user should be able to use just one charge throughout the whole day. And then I find the battery quite lasts long, but like some other Samsung phones, when it gets to like 4%, it drains to 2% and then goes off very fast, compared to the iPhones where on 1% could still do a lot with it. Or 8 months down the line, let's say 7 to 8 months down the line, the Note 8 is still a very good buy for a phone. It's very sleek, it's very classy, it's very productive, and I think the S9 is its only competition at the moment. I won't call the iPhone X's competition, because the iPhone X can't really do as much as it can do, and this is the duals version, so it uses 2 SIMs. Yes, I would recommend it. I'm sure some people are wondering why I don't want to review the camera. The camera has been the same, the camera doesn't change, and the camera is the camera. So that could be a separate review, but this is just a review covering how usage has been so far so good in 8 months and whether one could still go for it or not. Thanks for watching the review. So please share, like, subscribe, comment, just do your thing, spread the news. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.